Hello everyone and welcome to week 3 of Social Work 552. I hope all is well. I hope your field placements are going well for those who started and those who are just beginning to start this week. I hope it's everything that you hope it would be and things are going well. So probably within the next 2 weeks I will be reaching out to you and your field instructor just to check in and schedule a conference call to see how things are going and all those great things. So just be on the lookout for your email. I will be reaching out within the next 2 weeks to get things scheduled. I wanted to give you guys a chance to actually get in the field and have some experiences so we could have something valuable to talk about. So great. So let's dive right into it. You have 2 assignments that are due this week. Your first one is your discussion post, and here many of you guys may be familiar with this already, but you're really going to look into the importance of mandating reporting and what the requirements are for the population you serve in your state, right? And that's going to vary from state to state. A lot of the work, a lot of the mandates are very similar around reporting and the ages and with youth and the elderly and that type of thing. The second thing you're going to do is provide an example of a time you've had to make a report and describe your feelings related to the process, right? And so to me, to give you an example, I've been in the field for at least, about 8 to 9 years. And so every year or two, I always have to make some type of call. Ironically, and it's never the most comfortable thing by any means, and it makes me feel strange at times, but knowing that, I've had this open, transparent conversation with families I work with and my students that I serve, so it's like they are aware when I have to do these things to keep everyone safe, and so that makes me feel good, just knowing that on the upper end of things I'm informing them, and that, sometimes positive things come out of them, negative things. So, just express how you're feeling. And then the third thing is, if you have not been involved with making a report, discuss your expectations and feelings about this process. Do you think that you'll be nervous? Do you think that you'll be worried about the documentation piece and just the therapeutic process afterward if you're working with clients? And have really built a great report, that type of thing. So your first initial post is due this Thursday by 11:59, and then what you want to do is follow up by this Sunday by 11:59 to one of your peers, right? And you want to comment on any thoughts or mandated reporting that you share or that you view differently. Provide supportive explanations for your different perspective. Okay, so just one. If you happen to want to respond to more, you're welcome to, but you don't have to. So that's your first assignment. So let's hop over to your second assignment, and that is your field reflection log, right? And this is actually one of my favorite assignments in the field because it allows you to really sit down and process how things are going in deeper detail with the clientele that you're serving, your supervision piece. And this is also a way in which I check in to make sure, supervision is happening. You feel like you're getting a valuable experience and you're learning and that type of thing. And so I won't go too deep in detail because there's an excellent video that can describe it right here when you guys click on the link and watch the video in deeper detail. But one of the key components I wanted to just point out is that, sometimes it's, as students and ongoing learners, we always kind of get wrapped up in how long things have to be. And so I would say as long as you find that you're answering the question or multiple questions inside of one of the questions in its entirety, then you should be fine. You want to make sure that you answer all the questions. Some of the questions do have a couple questions within them that you answer them. And it's really just a time for you to process how things are going. And, give me some insight thus far. So I'll definitely be giving you guys feedback on these so that we can plan for your week 6 and week 10 field reflection log. So you'll kind of see your growth, and I'll be able to see your growth as time progresses in the field as well. Okay, so those are your assignments this week. I'm going to have all of your grades in by this Sunday, at the end of every Sunday each week, you'll have all your grades in, and I'll definitely give you guys some valuable feedback as well. So I appreciate all of your hard work. I'm really proud of you guys for taking this journey with me, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.